Ang pagpapalago po ng pera o pagpapalago ng isang negosyo ay hindi nangyayari overnight. The fourth strategy we can learn from Jollibee is to be patient and let your investments grow. Jollibee has been in the business for over 40 years and consistently nire-reinvest lang po nila ang kanilang profits, allowing their business to grow and become one of the largest fast food chains, hindi lang po dito sa atin sa Pinas, kundi pati na din po sa buong mundo. You too should be patient with your investments and give them time to grow and appreciate in value. Hello everyone! This is Jung Fernando and I'm from Ramfer Financials. Kamusta po kayo mga ka-RFF? Marami po sa ating mga local corporations ang maaari nating kapulutan ng aral at inspirasyon upang magtagumpay sa larangan ng pananalapi. Kaya naman, sa araw po na ito, minarapat naming pag-usapan ang top 5 best personal investment strategies na makukuha natin from one of the country's top brands, ang Jollibee. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakaalam, Jollibee is a fast food chain that was established in the Philippines in 1975. It is now one of the largest fast food chains in the country and has expanded internationally with locations in several countries including the United States, Canada, and several countries in Asia, Europe, and the Middle East. Jollibee is known for serving Filipino-style dishes such as fried chicken, yung kanila pong Chicken Joy, spaghetti, burgers, and rice meals. The chain has also become a popular cultural icon in the Philippines and is often considered a symbol of Filipino identity. So ngayon, pag-usapan na natin ang investment strategies that we can learn from it and how these can be applied in real life. So, first lesson is, start small and consistent. Ang unang strategy ay magsimula ng maliit and be consistent with your investments. Just like Jollibee, which started as a small ice cream parlor at lumaki into a fast food empire. Ikaw din, you can start small and consistently invest a portion of your income. This will help you grow your portfolio over time and eventually achieve your financial goals. Second lesson is, invest in what you only know. Ang pangalawa pong strategy ay mamuhunan sa alam mo. Invest in what you know. Jollibee invested in the fast food industry which they were familiar with at ito ay nakatulong sa kanila para sa mga informed investment decisions na kinakailangan nilang gawin para sa kanilang negosyo. Similarly, sa iyong mga gustong paglagyan ng pera, you should also focus on investing in industries and companies that you understand so that you can make informed decisions and minimize your risk exposure. Very important rule in investing, never get into something that you don't understand. Alaming mabuti, pag-aralan at mag-research po tayo bago natin pasukin ang isang investment product or negosyo. The third lesson is diversify your investments. Jollibee has expanded into different food categories and has even opened restaurants overseas. At ito ay nakatulong sa kanila in allowing them to mitigate the risks and achieve stability. Ikaw din, huwag mong ilagay ang lahat ng pera mo sa iisang instrumento o negosyo. Ika nga, don't put everything in one basket. You should consider diversifying your investments such as investing in the stock market, in mutual funds, in bonds, fixed income securities, businesses, and real estate to be able to reduce your overall risk. This leads us to the fourth lesson, which is number 4. Be patient and let your investments grow. Nothing worth having comes easy, ika nga. Ang pagpapalago po ng pera o pagpapalago ng isang negosyo ay hindi nangyayari overnight. The fourth strategy we can learn from Jollibee is to be patient and let your investments grow. Jollibee has been in the business for over 40 years and consistently nire-reinvest lang po nila ang kanilang profits, allowing their business to grow and become one of the largest fast food chains, hindi lang po dito sa atin sa Pinas, kundi pati na din po sa buong mundo. You too should be patient with your investments and give them time to grow and appreciate in value. Remember, pag minadali mo ang isang bagay, mas malaki po ang chances na ikaw ay maaaring magkamali. Kaya, maging matyaga, pag-aralan ng mabuti, and focus on the rewards of the results and not the process para hindi ka mainip sa iyong pinasukang mga investments. And last but not the least is lesson number 5, which is monitor and adjust your investments regularly. Finally, the fifth strategy is to monitor and adjust your investments regularly. Hindi po porket may financial plan ka na, ay yun na yun ang susundin mo habang buhay. Remember, maaaring pwedeng magbago pa ang sitwasyon mo within a short period of time. Maaaring single ka ngayon, next month may pamilya ka nang dumidepende sa income mo. Maaaring ngayon malakas ka pa, pero next year magkasakit ka. Or maaaring ngayon may trabaho ka pa, next year biglang wala ka na. So, maging sa investment strategies po natin, kailangan matutunan mo ding i-adjust ang mga ito. Jollibee regularly evaluates their business and makes adjustments as necessary to ensure that they remain on track to be able to meet their goals. Similarly, you should also regularly monitor your investments and make refinements as needed to ensure that you are on track to achieve your financial goals. Magpatulong sa isang registered at lisensyadong financial planner para mag-guide ka sa iyong financial journey. So there you have it, the top 5 best personal investment strategies that we can all learn from Jollibee's success story. Tandaan niyo po, start small and be consistent, invest in what you know, diversify your investments, be very patient and monitor and adjust your investments regularly to be able to achieve financial success. So there you have it. Sana po ay may natutunan kayo sa video na ito. If you have friends or relatives who might be interested of these contents, we hope you can share this video with them. Please don't forget po to like and subscribe to our YouTube and TikTok channels so we can continue to help you in your financial journey. Again, this has been Jung Fernando saying thank you so much for watching and for your continued support, and we'll see you in our next video. Stay safe and God bless.
Sound right, boy. It sound right, boy.